start करूँ.
Okay, ठीक. Thank you. Hello everyone. We'll start our MCQ discussions over Indian geography, and as we know that the Indian geography, the weightage of Indian geography in prelims is increasing in terms of your conceptual ability. Okay, conceptual ability is increasing. Here we'll cover many parts that would help us in understanding and clarity over the facts. So let's discuss now. Which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India specifically? Okay, which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India specifically? Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Rice bowl of India basically. Rice bowl of India. Okay. Rice bowl of India, it is your Indo-Gangetic, Krishna Godavari Delta, Northeast, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. See, here we can option C and D we can eliminate. So in between A and B, we can say the B is the correct answers. Okay. Next, Duncan Passage is situated between Minicoy, Aminadive Island, Minicoy, Maldives, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Okay, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is mainly located in between your South Andaman and Little Andaman particularly. Answer is your D for Delhi. Krishna Godavari Delta region जदि हम कहबा in India, Andhra Pradesh, in India, Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region is called the rice bowl of India. The rice bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh state. It has historically held that distinction, and within the Andhra Pradesh, okay, it has historically held that distinction, and within Andhra Pradesh, it is the East Godavari district that can be called as rice bowl of India. East Godavari district जो अच्छी Andhra Pradesh रे East Godavari. This is, just want to say, this is highly fertile. This is highly fertile in terms of your productions of agricultural items. Rice bowl in terms of your production of your agriculture items basically. Okay. Here we can say the Godavari rivers fertile plain makes it more productive particularly you can say. Next देखिए Duncan Passage देखिए is a strait in the Indian Ocean. Duncan Passage, it is about 48 kilometer wide. It separates Rutland Island and the part of Great Andamans to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. Particularly jodi mo eti kahibi, and south, this is your North Andaman, this is middle, this is your South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman. Eti mu likhili. Yeah, majhire jota achi, this is your Duncan Passage. Hala, so ita mu kahibi, it separates Lotland to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, west of the Bay of Bengal particularly, and east of the Andaman Sea. Several small islands and islets lies along the passage. Next, देखिए, which of the following geographical term related with a naturally formed, narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water? Geographically term related with naturally formed, narrow, typically navigable waterway. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and Island. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and Island. Naturally formed, narrow, typical navigable waterway connects two larger bodies. Particularly, it is strait. Answer is your C. Strait. ठीक है? We'll discuss this over. Which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? A circular coral reef that encloses a shallow lagoon, a chain set of islands grouped together, the plant and animal life on the earth, none of the above. It is answer is a chain or set of islands grouped together. B for Bombay. B for Bombay. है ना? देखिए जेमती it is strait mu कहली. Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two larger bodies. A narrow waterway joining two larger bodies. For example, the Strait of Gibraltar. This is Strait of Gibraltar particularly. Strait of Gibraltar. This is your Mediterranean Sea and this is your Atlantic Ocean. Mediterranean Sea and this is your Atlantic Ocean. A narrow strip of sea that links two larger areas of sea. Two larger areas of sea. For example, if I draw a map here and I will show particularly this is your Park Strait basically. Park Strait, that is your Bay of Bengal and this is your Indian Ocean. IOC, Indian Ocean. ठीक है जी? This is a Pak state. Pak state amar jemti Sri Lanka upur kuchu, that is two set of chain of island that जोटा कि connect kurchi your Bay of Bengal and another your Indian Ocean. Okay, it's a narrow channel that connects your Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. This Pak Strait. Same the Strait of Gibraltar. It's just Africa. This continent is a continent. This is your Africa, and this is your Europe. Archipelago jodi कहबे, it's a chain or set of group together. Chain or set of islands that is grouped together. An archipelago, sometimes called island groups of or island chain. Basically, island groups or island chain is a chain. Is a chain or cluster or collection of islands. Basically, island groups or island chain is a chain, cluster or collection of islands. Sometimes a sea connecting a small number of scattered islands. Particularly जमती है Indonesian archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago and Philippines archipelago. Particularly Andaman, Indonesian archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago and Philippines archipelago. Particularly these are the archipelagos which are set of islands, particularly group of or set of islands, archipelago. Next, which among the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Avitru, the largest archipelago in the world. Andaman Nicobar Islands, Andaman Nicobar Island, Malaysia, Indonesia and Maldives. Largest archipelago. This is your Indonesia. It is your Indonesian island. We'll discuss this one. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? क्या भितर largest peninsula? India, South Africa, Arabia and both A and B. World's largest peninsula. It is your Arabian Peninsula. Okay. Next देखिए. One of the largest archipelago in the world is the Indonesian archipelago. Indonesian archipelago जोटा रहा है the world's largest peninsula, which is located in the Malay archipelago between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Malay archipelago जोटा Indian और Pacific Oceans ऊपर है basically. According to Indonesian Coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs, this archipelago made of near about 17,504 islands, or we can say near about 18,000 islands. 18,000 islands. The National Institute of Aeronautics and Space, however, reports that number of islands in this archipelago is actually 18,306. Number of archipelago is basically 18,306. Indonesian archipelago देखियो completely it is lies in the Pacific Oceans. Pacific Oceans re particularly it is completely lie in Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean re completely lie होची ठीक है इंडोनेशियन आर्किपेलागो. अच्छा seventy Arabian Peninsula देखियो तो Arabian Peninsula is the earth largest spanning, that is 12 lakh near about 12 lakh 50,000 square miles. Arabian Peninsula which is largest, that is 12 lakh 50,000 square miles. It connects the mainland Asia and surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea. Persian Gulf, the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea on three sides, and as well as the other small bodies of water. Arabian Peninsula, that is Persian Gulf, Red Sea, Arabian Sea and three sides, as well as the other small bodies of water. Arabian Peninsula देखियो particularly Arabian Peninsula रे there are माने जदि हमें देखियो कि एनालिसिस करे कि Arabian Peninsula रे आउ को countries अच्छे Arabian Peninsula रे जदि हम देखियो Arabia, it's not only the Saudi Arabia is there, it's not that Saudi Arabia is there, also Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Syria, Iraq, Jordan, how? देखिए Oman, all maximum UAE countries, they all lie in the same. Which of the following pass has been created by the Indus River? Indus River रे which of the following pass की create करची? Your Rohtang Pass, Nathula, Ballachala, Banihal, created by the Indus River. Indus River कहाँ को create करची? को pass को? Which of the following passes? It is answer is your D, that is your Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass ही और है जी. Which passes make way to the land route between Kailas and Mansarovar? Okay, make a land route between Kailas and Mansarovar. Land route. Passes make way to the land route between Kailas and Mansarovar. Kailas and Mansarovar, Manna Pass, Rohtang, Nathula, Ballachala. जदि हमें देखियो एठी Ballachala हिमाचल प्रदेश नुह, Nathula सिक्किम नुह, Rohtang also in हिमाचल प्रदेश नुह, but रही जो कोटा एटा Kailas and Mansarovar एटा उत्तराखंड. So answer here Manna Pass is there. It is your Uttarakhand. 8A. नेक्स्ट देखिए बनिहाल पास at 2832 meter elevation. Banihal Pass, which is at 2832 meter elevation. The Pir Panjal mountain connects Banihal and Quasigang on the other side of the mountains. The Pir Panjal mountain ranges separates Kashmir Valley, Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir from the Himalayan. जदि आप डिटेल देखिए बनिहाल पास जोटा कि अच्छी पीर पांजाल माउंटेन से कनेक्ट बनिहाल आउ क्वाजीगुंड क्वाजीगुंड है तमर पर्टिकुलरली इन तिब्बत ठीक है तिब्बत रे पीर पांजाल माउंटेन रेंजेस सेपरेट कश्मीर वैली इंडियन स्टेट जम्मू कश्मीर फ्रॉम द आउटर हिमालय एंड प्लेन्स टू द साउथ. Next, देखिए it is Manna Pass. The Manna Pass was an ancient trade route between the Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. है ना? Manna Pass जोटा देखिए was an ancient trade route between Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. माने मुझे देखिए मैप टा बनोचे to be more clear. This is your Uttarakhand. This is your Uttarakhand and এটা যদি আমি দেখি this is particularly যদি এটা নেবে this is just এটা যদি ইন্ডিয়া নেবে this is এটা হলো নেপাল and this is Bhutan. তো এই যে এটা হলো this is your এটি তোমার হচ্ছে মানসরোবর হলো মানসরোবর here and your Kailash range भी এটি আছে this is Kailash also. তো এইটা হলো তোমার this is Manna Pass. This is Manna Pass and this is your Niti Pass. A trade route was fully functional till 1951 when it was shut down by the Chinese. In 1954 an agreement was signed between India and China. Agreement was signed between India and China that allowed the pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path particularly. And 1954 मसीहा what happened? An agreement was signed in between India and China that allowed the pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path particularly. India and China that allowed the pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path. Next देखो which of the following pass links Srinagar to Leh? Srinagar to Leh काउटा लिंक करछि Manna Pass, Rohtang, Nathula and Zojila. Srinagar to Leh. Manna, Rohtang, Nathula and Zojila. Srinagar to Leh. Srinagar to Leh जदि लिखियो that is your Zojila Pass. D for Delhi. Which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin in India? Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra or Krishna. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna. Largest river basin in India. It is your Ganges. B for Bombay. Next देखो, the Zojila is a high mountainous pass in the Himalayas. Himalayas is a high mountainous pass in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. है Indian Union Territory of Ladakh is located in the Zojila Pass. जो देखियो high mountainous in the Himalayas in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. It is located in the Dras, है Dras sector. The pass connects the pass connect the Kashmir Valley to its west with the Dras and Suru Valley to the nearest and the Indus Valley for the further east. Usually is the high mountainous pass Himalayas. Located Dras connects Kashmir Valley to its west in the Dras and Suru Valley the northeast of the Indus Valley. National Highway 1 जब देखिए अच्छा यूजिला ऊपर आउथरे मु ई करछु माउंटेन पास हिमालय रे जोटा कि इंडियन यूनियन टेरिटरी लद्दाख जोटा कि द्रास सेक्टर रे अछि हैला Dras areas रे अछि that connects Kashmir Valley to its west and the Dras and Suru Valley to its northeast particularly हैला and Indus Valley in the further east. National Highway 1 between Srinagar and Leh in the western sections of the Himalayan mountain range traverses the pass. National Highway Water 1 जोटा कि Srinagar to Leh है ना इटा कनेक्ट करछि. Since the vehicle flow stops during winter every year due to the heavy snowfall, the all-weather Zojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate this. Zojila tunnel construct होछि आको बंद करिया पे Zojila tunnel है ना Zojila tunnel कनेक्ट होछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थला इंडिया रे रिवर बेसिन्स जो अछि गंगा रिवर बेसिन्स द देखिबा द गंगा रिवर बेसिन इज द मोस्ट sacred river of India and the Ganga is the most fertile for the agriculture पे गंगा ला सबटु fertile. Just 1 second. Godavari river basins and Brahmaputra river basin जदि कहबी गंगा परे गोदावरी river basin then Brahmaputra river basin then Krishna and Indus हैला गोदावरी ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा आउ इंडस माने next which of the following river is not a part of Panchnath? That is the Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. River is not a part of Panchnath. Your answer is your Bombay. Thank you. Panchnath ame jo कहूछु है Panchnath basically Indus रो left bank tributaries माने कि Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas and Satluj ए पांचटा को नहीं कि तांकर पंचनाथ से बनै छै. Which of the following rivers flow in a rift valley? Rift valley किए होछि which of the following river flow in a rift valley? The Son, Yamuna, Narmada और Luni river. Rift valley किए होछि it is the Narmada. ठीक है नर्मदा रिवर सी है ना रिफ्ट वैली नर्मदा रिवर होछि. Indus देखिए, the Panchnath river formed by successive confluence or merger of the 5 rivers of the Punjab, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beej and Satluj. Panchnath area is located in Punjab, Pakistan. It is an agriculture area near Uch, Bhavalpur, and it is where all the 5 rivers of the Punjab merge. Panchnath area, all the 5 rivers Punjab merge. It is a beautiful picnic point, and the fresh fish is also available there. This is particularly your Panchnath area. Narmada river कहबी, Narmada river in India that flows in a rift valley. गोटे rift valley रे follow करछे and flow west between Satpura and Vindhyas. ठीक अच्छे, ये देखिए Vindhya is Satpura. This is, we can say, Narmada. Narmada river it flow करछे. The other rivers which flow through Rift Valley is include Damodar river in Chota Nagpur Plateau, Damodar river in Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Tapti. Damodar river in the Chota Nagpur Plateau and Tapti. The Tapti river and Mahi river also flow this Rift Valley. Tapti and Mahi river. ठीक है जी. Tapti river and the Mahi river, they also flow through this Rift Valley, Tapi and Mahi, but with different ranges. जदि मुझे कहि mainly Narmada river जो Rift Valley flow करछे, it is not the only Narmada जे कि flow करछे Rift Valley रे. Narmada संगरे there are other rivers also there. Narmada river संगरे सेमाने भी flow करछन्ते. जेमती मु कहबी Godavari also on a Rift Valley. Damodar also on a Rift Valley, but mainly this is prominent. Rift, rift माने जेमती particularly गोटे sudden force आसिले गोटे पटे. Suppose this is an plate, suppose, and force is there, तो गोटे person एमती ऊपर उठी जो. This is called your rift. This is जोटा उठी गला सेटा हला block, दबी गला सेटा हला rift. This one, this is block and rift. Next question proceed करिवा. Consider the following statements related to the Vishnu Prayag. It is one of the Panch Prayag, that is 5 confluence of Alkananda river, and lies at the confluence of Alkananda river and Dholi Ganga river, particularly Alkananda Dholi Ganga river in Chamoli district in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, particularly Alkananda Dholi Ganga in the Chamoli, Uttarakhand. The places of confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. It is the places of confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Which of the following statements are correct? Panch Prayag Alkananda lies at the confluence of Panch Prayag 5 confluence of Alkananda river lies at the confluence of Alkananda river, Dholi Ganga river in the Indian state. Vishnu Prayag, Panch Prayag. Vishnu Prayag is the places of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Alkananda and Bhagirathi confluence that is, it is wrong. It's not Vishnuprayag, so only one is correct, A. देखिए डिस्कशन टा तापर देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रे एटा ए गला consider the following statements related to the storm during the hot weather season है mango showers है occurs along the coast of Kerala. Mango showers which is occurs along the coast of Kerala. Since the rain showers are good for the mango trees, mangoes are good for the mango trees in the coast of Kerala. Mango showers. Lu is the name given to the hot dry winds that blow in the northern plains. Lu is the name given to the hot dry winds that blow in the northern plains. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, and Bihar. Which of the above statements are correct? Mango showers occur in the coast of Kerala. Mango showers, this is correct also. And Lu is the name given to the hot dry winds that blow in the northern plains. It is very common in the Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh in Bihar. This is also correct. So both are correct. C. अच्छा प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिए विष्णुप्रयाग डिराइव इट्स नेम फ्रॉम विष्णु ठीक अच्छे derive its name from Vishnu particularly. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the place where says Narada meditate, and after which the Vishnu appeared before him. It is near to the Kagbhusandi lake particularly. Vishnu Prayag where the your saint particularly ଯଦି କହିବି ନାରଦ ସେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ନାରଦ ମୁନି ସେଇଠି କାଗଭୂଷଣ୍ଡି ଲେକ୍ ପାଖରେ ହେଲା ବିଷ୍ଣୁ appeared before him. It is near to the କାଗଭୂଷଣ୍ଡି lake. This is thought to be ମାନେ believed to be it is in the Uttarakhand. ଠିକ ଅଛି अच्छा जदि मु कहबी अलकानंदा and Bhagirathi, they both are lying in the Pujagare. This is Dev Prayag. Dev Prayag Pakare, Alkananda, Bhagirathi, they both lie. Mango showers, mango showers normally occur from March to April. Basically, mango showers देखियो दे. It is a question थिला हमर कौन? Mango showers occurs along the coast of Kerala, particularly. Mango showers along the coast. This is correct. Lu is the name given to the hot dry winds. So it is March to April. Although their arrival is often difficult to predict. So difficult to predict arrival. The intensity can range from light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. Light shower to heavy and persistent thunderstorm in India. The mango showers occur as a result of the thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. India mango showers occur as a result of the thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. Mango showers is the name of pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan and Goa. Mango showers is the name of pre-monsoon showers. Showers of Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan and Goa that help in the ripening of mangoes. They are also known as the April rains or the summer showers. April rains or summer showers. जोटा कि माने एटा प्री मानसून जोटा को जाए प्री मानसून बेसिकली तो मानसून आसीबा पूर्वर हैला मानसून आसीबा पूर्वर सेटा प्री मानसून को जाए हैला मानसून आसीबार पूर्वर सेटा सिम्पटम ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट देखिए 15 number consider the following statements. These are about the southwest monsoon. That is true. The bulk of rainfall is received during season and is almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season. A season and almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. That's correct also. Except Tamil Nadu, the bulk of rainfall, the southwest monsoon is received in all parts of India. That is absolutely correct. Blossom shower with this shower, blossom showers with this shower, coffee flower blossoms in Karnataka and its nearby areas. Karnataka or nearby areas blossom showers. That is also correct. So here we can say the both are correct. We'll discuss देखिए which of the following longitude longitudes particularly is the standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India जदि किए देखिए अभितरो it is your 6930 east 7530 east 8230 9030 it is 8230 C. Southwest monsoon period is the principal rainy season for the Indian subcontinent. Southwest monsoon. This is the summer season period where the southwest monsoon holds away from the country. Hold away over the country. Southwest monsoon. The whole country receives nearly 75% rainfall during this period. A period the country whole country 75% rainfall during this period to receive correct. Southwest monsoon sets in over the extreme southwestern tip of the peninsula by the end of month May. End of May. Southwest monsoon जदि देखियो it will diagram बनो it will be more. This is equator. Southwest monsoon. After crossing equator, they like this one. After crossing equator, just get diverted. It is southwest monsoon. So Kerala coast when it was about last week of May. The standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east of the Greenwich meridian. It is 82.5 degree east of Greenwich meridian. Particularly, this meridian passes through the city of Allahabad. That is standard meridian. This is 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. जो accurately जदि कहबा एटा उत्तर प्रदेश पाखरे this is one मिर्जापुर मिर्जापुर Allahabad पाखरे एटू पास करछि. It runs through the center of the country ro center जाउछि माने if I say जदि 80 67 to 97 पाखा पाखी then 15 add करियो it is near mid of the country. It runs through the center of the country. In 1905, this longitude was selected as the meridian to create Indian Standard Time. ହେଲା ଏଟାକୁ meridian କହୁଥିଲା Indian IST by Indian Standard Time ର. It passes through UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. ହେଲା ଏ major ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା क्वेश्चन ଯଦି ପଚାରିବେ କୋଉ ଦେଇକି ଯାଉଛି କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଥ୍ରୁ ଦେଇକି ଯାଉଛି, it is your UP, MP, sorry ମାନେ the question ଯଦି ପଚାରିବ IST line passes through how many states? है passes through how many states? This is प्रथम देखिबा, but arrange them in a north through south हिसाब रे तमे arrange करिवो. So first is your, that is UP, then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Odisha, then Andhra. Chronologically जदि हम पचारिबो पांचटा टोटल केतरा 05 स्टेट्स, पांचटा स्टेट्स भीतर दी क्रॉस करछि, एंड दीज आर द स्टेट्स UP, MP, छत्तीसगढ़, ओडिशा एंड आंध्र प्रदेश हैला. सो जदि चॉइस देथिबो तमरो 4 5 7 9 हैला. जदि कंफ्यूजिंग टाइप देथिबो you would have to choose this one as 5. एटा हम गोटे जिनस मार्क करछन, गोटे क्वेश्चन को केते वैरायटी रे परछे, हाउ इन व्हाट वे दे कैन आस्क, दैट इज मोर इंपोर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following places receives the highest rainfall in the world? Silchar, Cherrapunji, Maisinram and Guwahati. Silchar, Cherrapunji, Maisinram and Guwahati particularly. Just 1 minute. Highest, that is your particularly you can say that is your Maisinram C. Yeah? Maisinram is the wettest place, it is C. Then what is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? Local name. Local name of the wind that blowing in the northern plains, that is your C, is Lu. The average annual rainfall Maisinram, it is near about 11,871, or we can say it is near about 1200 centimeter, or sometimes it is 1212 centimeter बोलते हैं, ठीक है centimeter, because centimeter mm रहे 1 centimeter is 10 mm. The place that records the highest rainfall on the earth is Maisinram, located in the Meghalaya, located only 15 kilometers from the Cherrapunji village. Cherrapunji village 15 kilometers away. from Cherrapunji villages in Mysore uses grass to sunroof their huts and forming defending rains that pelts their homes during rainy seasons particularly. है Lu देखिए the hot and dry winds of the northern plains of India is called Lu. Lu is the name which is provided to the wind which blows in the month of May. Month of May re Lu bohuchi. The boiling heat with the temperature gets to 45 to 50 degrees centigrade boiling area, which causes sunstroke and it's fatal for the health. Particularly, sunstroke and it fatals for the health. लू रे जदि तमे मैप देखिबो लू particularly इंडिया जो बहुची लू लू रो फ्लो देखिबो राजस्थान डेजर्ट रो बाहर की लू totally this is the path of loo. This is the path of loo. Okay. Next question देखिए which of the following reason, sorry this is not reason, excuse me 1 minute ठीक है देखिए which of the following seasons of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? What are we? Rainfall during winters in the northwestern part of India. Cyclonic depression, western disturbances, retreating monsoon, and southwest monsoon. Northwestern part of India particularly. This is your western disturbances more. Western disturbances. Northwestern part of India which is western disturbances. Which of the following factor is characterized by the cold weather season in India? Cold weather season got warm days and warm nights, warm days and cold nights, cool days and cold nights, cool days and warm nights. Which one? Characteristics of cold weather season. It is your B. Warm days and cool nights. Warm days and cool nights. B देखिए western disturbances. Western disturbances causes rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India. Northwestern part of India. This is a pattern driven by westerlies. This is a pattern driven by westerlies. Western disturbances. Western disturbances are important to the development of rabi crop in the northern subcontinent. Western disturbances causes rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India. This is a pattern driven by the westerlies. Westerlies माने ही mainly वर्षा करांती. Western disturbances are important to the development of the pattern of rabi crop in the north subcontinent, which includes your locally important staple wheat. Rabi crop mainly wheat में. Next, warm days and cold nights. जब हम कहें Right? Roj Koti, the cold weather season in India begins during mid-November in northern India and says till February. Right? The cold weather season in India begins during the mid-November in northern India and stays till February. December and January are the coldest months, particularly. December and January are the coldest month. During the cold seasons, the days are warm and nights are cold. Cold season the days are warm and nights are cold. Northern parts of India experiences cool days and cold nights. Cold days and cold nights particularly. Okay, cold weather season in India begins during mid-November or northern India stays till February 15. These are the very basic things that we have to know this one. Basic things are out days are warm, nights are cool. It is also the reason pertains to that India as position is at tropical latitudes. Tropical latitudes in India position. Next, consider the following statement related to the Himalayan ranges in the form of highest mountain range in the world extending 2500 km over the northern India. It forms an highest mountain range in the world that extending 2500 km over the northern India, bounded by the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. The three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks, three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks, have deep canyon gushed by the river and falling into the Gangetic plain. First is correct, second also correct. So C is the correct answer. देखिए ना, the Himalayan range is one of the youngest mountain ranges on the planet and consists mostly of lifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Sedimentary and metamorphic rock. According to the modern theory of plate tectonics, its formation is a result of continental collision or orogeny along the convergent boundary, that is main Himalayan thrust (MHT), between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, particularly Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. That is main Himalayan thrust. It is the main Himalayan thrust MHT, main Himalayan thrust between the Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. So, modern plate tectonics formation of continental collision or orogeny along the convergent boundary. That is main Himalayan thrust between Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. Next, consider the following UMPP projects and their respective states. That is Kurakuta, Talaya, Odisha, Sasan, Madhya Pradesh, and Vedabahal, Jharkhand. Vedabahal in Jharkhand. Which of the following are correctly matched? So Talaya, Odisha is wrong. Bedabal, Jharkhand, wrong. So only 2 is correct. Only 2 देइछि yes, B is Bombay. Next, देखिए which of the following geographical term related with a body of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Body of land जोटा कि surrounded by water on 3 sides. है ना? So this is nothing but the peninsula. Just for example, we can say Indian peninsula. अच्छा, it is देखिए ultra mega power projects UMPP है ना, ultra mega power projects are very large size project, approximately 4000 megawatt each capacity है ना, 4000 megawatt each capacity. Ultra mega power projects basically 4000 megawatt. Talaya ultra mega power project is in Jharkhand, particularly देखिए थी Talaya, that is in Jharkhand है ना, जोटा कि एटी देखिए Talaya is not Odisha, it is in Jharkhand. Same thing, this was recently in news as it was abandoned by the original owner power, Reliance Power, and is likely to be auctioned fresh. Same thing, जदि देखिए Bedabal UMPP project जदि हम कहबी, Bedabal UMPP is located in the Sundargarh district of Odisha है ना, Bedabal is in Sundargarh district है ना, Bedabal is in Sundargarh district particularly. So एटी हम देखिए Telaiya dam out है Bedabal है ना, Telaiya और Bedabal. Telaiya है थोड़ा, this is in the Jharkhand और Bedabal is in Odisha. Peninsula is the best example देखिए peninsula. For example, peninsula जदि best हमें देखिए that is Indian peninsula. For example, जदि कहबी Indian peninsula किए अछि, जदि हम इंडिया रा वेस्ट पटे देखिए, it is your Arabian Sea. East पटे देखिए, this is your Bay of Bengal. एठी देखिए, this is your Indian Oceans. These are the 3 sites where the are there, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Oceans. 3 sites. Simply the best example is Indian Peninsula. It like that Sinai Peninsula is also in Egypt, also there. Sinai Peninsula Egypt रे जोटा कि जदि तमे हमें देखिबा एठी Sinai Peninsula. This is the Sinai Peninsula की sorry ए पटरे देखिबो, it is Sinai Peninsula Africa रा है. This is ए पार्ट, this is जोटा कि अरब संग को अटैच है कि अच्छे है ना. Where is Mayurkashi project located? Where is Mayurkashi project located? Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, West Bengal और महाराष्ट्र. Mayurkashi project महाराष्ट्र तो नो, Jammu Kashmir नो, Punjab और West Bengal भितरु. It is your C, West Bengal. Mayurkashi project जदि हम देखियो, it is in the West Bengal mainly. है देखियो तापर. Next question, which of the following is not matched correctly? Ukai project river Tapi, Sardar Sarovar project, river Narmada, Farakka project, river Yamuna, and Salal project, river Chenab. है Salal project, river Chenab. So which of the following is correctly matched? That is देखिए is not correctly matched is given. है ना Ukai Tapir is correct, Salal Chenab is correct, Sardar Sarovar Narmada is correct. Farakka project is not in Yamuna. This is wrong. So answer is your C. कहीं ना Farakka project जदि देखियो Farakka project is on the river Ganga. Ganga ऊपर ही Farakka अच्छी. Next देखियो Mayurkasi river is a tributary of the Hooghly which rises from the Chota Nagpur plateau. Mayurkasi is a river tributary of the Hooghly which rises from the Chota Nagpur plateau and flows through Bihar and West Bengal. It flows through the Bihar and West Bengal. It is a multi-purpose project of the West Bengal to create irrigation potentials, generate power and control floods and erosion. It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal particularly that create irrigation potential. Mayurkasi project irrigation potential that generate power. देखो Mayurkasi project हेबा पछरे भी गवर्नमेंट रा बहुत बड़ा there is an sole intentions to help the particular the peoples those who are माने जो माने those who are in the down the coast particularly है ना जो थे कि Mayurkasi रे flood control ପାଇଁ भी माने major थिला for control करिया ପାଇଁ most of major part of your West Bengal and Bihar माने जोरा कि आगुर प्रथमे लागि कि थिला माने झारखंड बिहार जतले before partition of Jharkhand Bihar. Also irrigation potential and generating power. These are the main irrigation potential. Total since the populations, population is in an increasing trend or rising to cater the vast chunk of populations to their food requirements. It goes for the irrigation potential. Power भी generate करता generate power भी generate करता particularly power generations for to go those SSI small scale industries and your medium scale industries and your heavy industries. Heavy industries रे की जो ship making एवढा सब जिबे heavy industry माने एवढा सब power cater ପାଇଁ particularly Mayurkasi project रा there is a big role. After independence Mayurkasi project was in the limelight particularly. ठीक अछि next ता पूर्व क्वेश्चन नंबर कोन दिला which of the following is not correctly matched जोटा कि हम चूज कले it is Farakka हैला और जोटा कि हैला गंगा रे Farakka is a barrage जोटा कि across Ganga river हैला located in the Murshidabad district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Farakka roughly near about 18 kilometers from the border of the West Bengal near Sahibganj. Farakka barrage township is located in Farakka in Murshidabad district. Construction was started in 1961. 61 ले start हुई थी and completed in 1975. 1961 ले start हुई 1975 रे सरथिला and at a cost of 150 or let's say near about 157 crore. Operations began in 21st April 1975. The barrage is about 2304 meter. Barrage is about 2304 meter long. ठीक है जी barrage is about 2304 meter long. This span is your 2304 meter long in 75. ठीक है जी so this is all about today's discussions. है एथरो हमें मु बार बार माने गोटे जिनस सब स्ट्रेस करे कि जो जो द वे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल द टॉपिक्स वी आर कवरिंग इट इज बेसिकली कि गोटे जिनस ऊपर हमें केमती ताको फोकस कर जेमती एठी मल्टी रिवर वाली प्रोजेक्ट उकाई प्रोजेक्ट देछि को रिवर ऊपर हमें सेमती अलग अलग रिवर भी सब देखि पारिबे को रिवर रे कोनटा अछि इट विल बी आल्सो वेरी हेल्पफुल टू अस ठीक अछि ओके सो आज पे एतिकी विल मीट अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट वीक है ना so thank you very much thank you all of you